Good morning and welcome back to the channel. Today's Friday morning. I've got my brew with the new Slurp sticker on, check that out. Yeah, we're on the Slurps. What an absolute beauty of a morning here at Lathkill Wild Campsite. The calm before the storm. There's a few of us part just there who's helping out, but check that out, the mist over this valley coming over the Lathkill. Boys are down here. I'm just getting the forklifts out. The main mark of the birch tent's up. We've got first aid tent to go up and the fire marshal tent. And the guys are just setting out a 15 by 15 metre inflatable entertainment tent. How badass is that? Let's go. So we're just firing up the fans one by one. We had them all plugged in and kicked them all in at once, and the Jenny just cut out, so I don't know if it was surge of power, the power surge of kicking them all in, or the Jenny was just cold. So we unplugged them, fired one up, and now the guys are just going around one at a time. So it's got it's not an instant load on the Jenny. See, it's going, yeah! Check this out, this is an absolute beast. All the fans to keep it blown up. We don't want it coming down on everybody, do we? This morning is unbelievable. I don't know if you can see that on the GoPro, but look at the mist through that valley, that is amazing. Alright, stay tuned, we're going to get set up. Start checking everybody in as they start arriving today. See you in a bit. Why does this feel like a council building site? One person doing the work, the rest of the people just... Getting there, we just brought some more portaloos up for the middle of the field. We've cleared down where the main tent is, more or less set up. There's just a few scaffolds to move. I think we're about ready. We've put a stage. We had a stage ordered, a proper stage to come in, and unfortunately the stage guys let us down. Miscommunication between me, the farmer, and third party who put me in touch with the farmer. So we've had to build a stage out of pallets and scaffold boards that Neil the farmer had around the back of his old barn. Improvise, adapt and overcome, baby. That's how we roll. So yeah, we're getting there. Let's go. Me and you's falling out. How cool is this? Wow. Bit stressful today, bit of rushing around. It's been a mad one. Just finally thinking to pick the camera up and record some of this amazing weekend. It's been mad, it's been busy, it's been eventful. I'm knackered, my legs are hurting, I feel like I walked 20,000 miles. But I'm just coming back up the field just to show you just what we've got. We've got the massive Marshmallow Tent, we're classing as a main arena. We've got James playing in there tonight, he's playing tomorrow afternoon, and then we've got the band called A-Ups from Buxton, they're playing in there. We've got Z's traditional cakes and puddings over this side. We've got Bar and Away, providing the Allsbox bar down there. We've got the massive Urban Monkey and Van Life Culture official merch tent. We've got the massive Derbyshire Dubs Festival fire pit. I'll show you that now. Check this out. This is absolutely incredible. How awesome is this fire pit? How is everybody? Yay! Look at that for a fire pit. Steve from Derbyshire Dubs, don't mess about. How cool is that? That is kicking off some heat. I can feel that from here.
Lovely.
That's lovely. It's nice, yeah. So I've just missed some of James. James just done his first set. Amazing solo artist. He's just finished. He's just having a break and he's coming back on. I'll take you into the main Marshmallow Tent and show you that. It's absolutely incredible. Can't believe me and Luan just, I don't know how we do it. We'll pull it off every time. It gets bigger and better every single time. It's just nuts. Check. Thanks to the staff. But check this out. How cool is this? So this is the main marshmallow, we have dubbed the main Marshmallow Tent. It's absolutely incredible. Fully massive 15 metre by 15 metre inflatable entertainment tent. We've got a stage down there. I'll show you this. It's badass. So this is Neil's. So Neil, who owns Lathkill Wild Campsite, this is his daughter. So James has just finished. She's jumped onto his kit, and she's going to do a set in between James's. Hey.
So I'm doing a music performance degree. I'm in second year.
Yes! Spin round, bro. Let's see your merch. Oh! Show me the back. Show me the back. How sick! How sick! And then slurp sunnies. They are badass. Oh, I just can't tell you. Words can't describe how happy me and Luan are right now. This is everything we dreamed of. The full Urban Monkey style camp out. They're just getting bigger and better and bigger and better. Just can't tell you how good it is. It's just badass. Badass. There's a slurps happening. There's a fire pits happening. It's just, there's entertainment's happening. There's people sat around the vans and chilling, but that's fine. It's just what you want to do on your camp out. It's just whatever you want to do. It is absolutely badass. But these just keep getting like a kid in a sweet shop. Bigger and better. Look at that, Marshmallow Tent. This is going to be a regular thing every October. Lathkill, Urban Monkey, Wild Campsite. You better get on it because these are selling out every time. Badass. Back again, we have got the legendary Born Away crew looking after us at the Lathkill Urban Monkey Campout. Check these guys out. These are blasting drinks out. And the special Urban Monkey cocktail, and they're lethal. And they are. They're so nice, but they're strong. How are we doing? You okay?
Yeah, you?
Yeah.
Good.
Urban Monkeys are going down a tree.
Yes. Hey. What cocktails we had, guys? Urban Monkey. Urban Monkey? Yes. And they are good, I'm telling you. A whiskey cocktail with pineapple juice and some other bits. It's really good. They're strong, but they're so nice, you know, like, whoa, and they're just like, this is good. And the zombies are badass. They're lethal as well. Shake it, baby. Shake it. Tell us what's in the Urban Monkey cocktail, bro.
So we've got monkey shoulder. We have Disaronno, amaretto, and pineapple juice. Ooh. Shaken, not stirred, obviously.
Shaken, not stirred, obviously. What's that going in there?
Vanilla paste.
Vanilla paste. What's this one?
A drugstore martini.
Oh. You lot don't mess about, do we? Hey?
Do things properly here to
Just look at that lot for a Allspots bar. It's more stocked than a fancy bar in... Honestly, amazing. Wouldn't be a camp out without getting them guys here.
There was something so pleasant about that place.
So guys, it's Friday night. James is back on for his second set. The Marshmallow Tent's going off. Hey! I am so buzzing with this weekend. I can't tell you how much I'm loving
But
this.
it wasn't because I didn't know enough. I just knew too much. That make me crazy. That make me crazy. That make me crazy. Positively. And I hope.
Morning. A bit of a slow morning. It's 11 o'clock. We're just about to start the walk from the campsite. Well, Lathkill Wild Campsite. I'm going to go round, down into the valley, back round to Lathkill Hotel. So we're just getting, everybody's gathering here. We've got the Land Rover coffee wagon just here. They're having some, everybody's having coffee, so it's good coffee as well. This is about my third one, so. Everybody's getting ready, and then we're going to start the walk. And Luann's doing a short walk, so she can't be bothered to do the longer one this morning. It's a little bit rough. So she's doing a longer one, shorter one for people that don't want to do the longer one, straight down to the pub, and we're going to meet them there. So let's get on the way. See you in a mo. We're on the walk. What an absolutely banging day for this. So I've just stopped off in front to get some B-roll of everybody walking past. We're just coming up the road, and then we're going to go through the motorhome and caravan campsite just here at Lathkill, through that, and it drops you down into the bottom of the valley at the back, and then we start the walk through the valley to the pub.
I was out drinking, looking for the next thing. I couldn't really settle down. Always on the run.
So we're dropping down into the valley, and just check this scenery out. It's absolutely amazing. It's good seeing everybody walking down. Bless you. Everybody walking down here. It's lovely. What a fantastic little walk from the site, and the views from up here are amazing. Check this out. And then once we get to this high point, we can see the pub from here. Ready for a slip? Slips! So why most of us, and The adults have done a nice walk around through the valley to the pub. Had a couple of slurps down at the pub, Lathkill Hotel. They've had some kids entertainment, circus bits and bobs and face painting and pass the parcel. Kids have been absolutely loved it down there. This is absolutely bonkers. As I was saying yesterday, I'm just speechless. Like these keep growing and growing. What we fell in love with the van life originally for the campouts and that little community, the family vibe, and then we found that there were some meets that had lost that, and that's why we wanted to keep doing what we do and instill what we fell in love with originally in our meets, and this is why. Look at that, full field, they're growing and growing. It's amazing. It don't matter. We bought a Fiat, still got a massive Volkswagen following from everybody. We'll still be massively involved in the Volkswagen scene and everybody else, so yeah, it's going to be badass. Just because you've not got a van don't mean you can't be involved with the community. Yeah. Buzzing, right. Go back to the van, quick refresh, get some food, and then get the bands on at 7:30. Let's go. Hey, welcome back. I hope I've done enough filming this weekend to show you just the entire vibe of this weekend. It's just so hard when it's your event and we're so busy. Obviously I'm doing meet and greet, chatting to everybody, make sure everyone's having a good time, and then also the logistical stuff, working with the farmer, making sure the toilets are all good, generators are refueled and continually running. Yeah, it's been a mad one. So we are back down to the Marshmallow Tent. I love the Marshmallow Tent, it is absolutely badass. The A-Ups band from Buxton are just warming up. They've just set them up in there, got them all rigged up. They're just doing a sound check and a warm up, and then James is coming back on, who was a solo artist from last night. Beth is also playing, who's a daughter of the farmer. She's going in there. So they're doing individual sets, mixing it up between them all the way up till midnight tonight. So we're kicking off, the ball's happening, the old school desserts, Z's doing the old school puddings, they're warming up nicely, and the chippy van's been busy. Everybody's had the food, starting to mingle and gather down here. Oh, so excited, badass. Let's go and show you some of this atmosphere around here. Let's go.
You know what we say? Yeah, boy!
Right.
Yes, Jack?
Yeah, boy!
Yeah, what you got? Show me your sticks. Look at them, how cool are them? They're awesome. Of course, you know Jack. He's loving the camp out. How are you guys? You having a good time?
Yeah, brilliant.
Yes. The band's warming up.
Very good.
So we start about 7:30. Yeah. All right. See you soon. All right.
The thrill of living is gone, say. Oh yeah, life goes on.
Blowing away, looking after us yet again. Maybe you can still hear me. I'll come and show you the A-Ups. Looking absolutely badass. His old crew, all set up, warmed up, sound check, done I think. We're all ready to rock and roll.
I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming out on a sunny day? Yeah. Yesterday, days before, sun is cold and rainy.
Let's go and have a look at the fire pit crew. How's the fire pit crew doing? Have we having a good time?
Beautiful.
Oh, look at this geezer.
I'm rocking. I ain't got my monkey with me though. Can you turn gas up a bit?
Hey, I can feel that. That's good. I'm well impressed with that fire pit.
That's on fire!
I've got my festival voice, that's what you know when you've had a good day. My voice is completely shot. Now it's a mad dash to get all this down, the tent down, the stage up, packed up. Then it's Sunday dinner at Lathkill Hotel. Let's go. The Marshmallow Tent is no longer until next year. What a tent that has been, everyone's loved it. It got so warm, kept all the wind out, and the noise inside just made the band sound amazing yesterday. Oh, still buzzing. Bring on the next one. And just like that, it's all over, all packed away. The big marshmallow tent and all the fencing's gone. We've done a litter sweep, but as usual guys, well done. You know how we all roll, we only leave footprints, and there's not one bit of litter. Anyway, so we're all done. I'm going to grab the one wheel and then I'm going to get down to the Lathkill Hotel again for Sunday dinner, and then I'm crashing. Wow, what an event. If you want to join these amazing campouts, keep an eye on our social media for up and coming events, and you need to get booked on because they do sell out. There's loads asking who want to get booked on, finalise it again. I'm like, let me finish this one. Absolutely amazing. Right, see you in a bit. Can't believe that. Just as I finished that off, it's just started raining. How lucky are we been with that weather? Wow, Literally the last awning and tent's gone away and it's raining. Unbelievable. Woo-wee! Oh, I love being on this thing. I haven't been on it for ages. Beats walking to the pub. Thank you to each and every one of you for coming along to that amazing camp out. It really was truly amazing. It was unbelievable. The A-ups right at the end finished it off. A treat. Thank you to all our helpers, the friends that's helped us park, everybody helped set up and put on that amazing camp out. Can't wait to do the next one. Lathkill will be a regular yearly event held every October once the camping season's ended for Neil and Fiona at Lathkill Wild Campsite. So once that wild camping season's done, we'll come in the first weekend after and set up for an amazing event. Wow, don't know how we're going to top that one though. It really was a special one. So I'm going to wrap this up. I'm on the way to the pub. Knackered. I don't think I'll take much rocking to sleep tonight. No way. So stay tuned. Don't forget, if you like our videos, click the link, hit subscribe, leave a comment. It really does help the channel. And we'll see you guys next time. Yeah, boy.